Pictures are in fact from Lok Sabha, where the 18th Lok Sabha session is going to be beginning. In fact, it's started with the appointment of the pro-term speaker who has been appointed. This happened at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. The opposition is already protesting. In fact, we'll try and listen to the proceedings of the House in just a few moments from now. But pictures of the Prime Minister on your screen right now from inside the lower house in Lok Sabha, where the Prime Minister is. A few moments ago, he spoke about the need for consensus, the need for the House to function, expecting the cooperation from the opposition there. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Nitin Gadkari, Amit Shah and the Prime Minister, the first row. Essentially, these are pictures coming in from Lok Sabha. Right behind him, JP Nadda, the Health Minister and also the National President of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Kiren Rijiju as well, among other top ministers of the government. The Parliamentary Affairs Minister, Kiren Rijiju, also has spoken out. Remember, today started with some amount of acrimony between the opposition and the government on the issue of the appointment of the pro-term speaker, expecting the opposition to raise a range of issues, right from the NEET controversy to the matter of Agnipath. The session has begun with tension as opposition MPs have raised the issue of the appointment of pro-term speaker Bhartruhari Mahata. They protested the government's decision to overlook 8-term MP K. Suresh's appointment for this particular role. The appointment of the speaker is going to be held on the 26th of June.
We are meeting today on this first sitting of 18th Lok Sabha, which is a solemn occasion. A new Lok Sabha vested with great and onerous responsibilities for ensuring the welfare of the entire country and our people has been elected under the Constitution. Considering the solemnity of this occasion, and as is customary, we may all stand in silence for a short while before we begin our proceedings. Om Shanti. I congratulate all the members who have been elected to the 18th Lok Sabha. It gives me great pleasure to welcome all the members. I'm sure you will all help the chair in maintaining the high tradition of this House and thereby strengthening the edifice and the roots of our democratic polity. I wish you all success in your endeavor. Now I would request the Secretary General to lay on the table a list, Hindi and English versions, containing the names of the members elected to the 18th Lok Sabha at the general election of 2024, submitted by the Election Commission of India.
Sir, I lay on the table a list Hindi and English versions containing the names of members elected to the 18th Lok Sabha at the general elections of 2024 submitted by the Election Commission of India.
I have to inform the House that the Honorable President has nominated the following members as members of the panel of chairpersons. Sri Suresh Kodikonal, Sri Talikotai Raju Thevar Balu, Sri Radha Mohan Singh, Sri Fagan Singh Kulaste, Sri Sudeep Bandopadhyay. Honorable members, I have to inform the House that Honorable Speaker had received Please have your seat. Please have your seat. Now here is an important announcement to make. Honorable members, I have to inform the House that Honorable Speaker had received a letter dated 17th June 2024 from Sri Rahul Gandhi, an elected member from the Wayanad parliamentary constituency of Kerala, resigning his seat in Lok Sabha. The Honorable Speaker has accepted the resignation of Sri Rahul Gandhi with effect from 18th June. The names of members will now be called by the Secretary General for the purpose of making and subscribing an oath or affirmation. The Leader of the House, Honorable Prime Minister, will be called first. Thereafter, members of the panel of chairperson will be called. Then Ministers of Cabinet rank, Ministers of State independent charge, and Ministers of State. Thereafter, the names of other members, state, union territory-wise, in alphabetical order will be called. The names of members who are not able to take the oath or make the affirmation at the first call will be called again at the end. If the name of any member is not pronounced correctly, it may be kindly be excused. Honorable members, on the name of a member being called by the Secretary General, the member may proceed from the place she or he is occupying to one of the podiums placed on either side of the Speaker's chair. A copy of the form for oath or affirmation in accordance with the third schedule to the Constitution of India, as the case may be, will be kept for the use of the member. The member will face the House while making the oath or affirmation and then wish the chair. Thereafter, the member will proceed to show the original election certificate at the table of the House and sign the roll of members which is placed on the table. Now, Secretary General.
Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi.
मैं नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी जो लोकसभा का सदस्य निर्वाचित हुआ हूं, ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा। मैं भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता अक्षुण्ण रखूंगा तथा जिस पद को मैं ग्रहण करने वाला हूं, उसके कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक निर्वहन करूंगा।
you.